Learn Hindi pronouns fast. I, you, he, formal you, and this in.
Hindi.
Welcome to Hindi Pronoun Survival. Hey, you are in the right place. Today you will learn 5 tiny Hindi words that do a shocking amount of work. Our VIP words today are
मैं,
for I,
तुम,
for you,
वह,
for he,
आप,
for you in a formal singular sense, and
ये,
for this. Think of them as the cast of a tiny sitcom. No one has time for long speeches. Everyone just points and says things. Meet the cast. Let's meet each word like it just walked dramatically onto a stage. Imagine a spotlight, a fanfare, and maybe one confused goat in the audience. First enters.
मैं,
It means I point to yourself and say,
मैं,
very good. You have now officially introduced yourself to yourself. Next comes.
तुम,
It means you in a friendly, informal singular way. Point to one friend and say,
तुम,
try not to poke them in the eye. Now we have.
वह,
Here we use it as he. Point to a man or imagine one in the distance and say.
वह,
Dramatic distance helps. Then arrives the polite superstar.
आप,
This means you in a formal singular sense. Use it with respect. It is the word wearing a neat jacket. Finally, meet.
ये,
It means this. Point to something near you and say,
ये,
congratulations, you can now point at random objects with purpose. A very serious and slightly silly story. Now listen to a short story. It is useful, memorable, and only a little ridiculous. I walk into a room and say,
मैं,
because yes, I am me, and this seems important. Then I see my friend and think, ah.
तुम,
My friend is holding a mysterious box. I point at it and say,
ये,
what is this? Before my friend answers, a man across the room sneezes like a movie villain. I point and whisper,
वह,
he definitely knows something. Then the teacher enters. Suddenly everyone sits up straight, and I switch to respectful mode.
आप,
The teacher smiles. The box opens. Inside is a potato wearing sunglasses. Language learning is full of surprises. Useful mini-sentences. Let's make these words useful right away. Repeat after each line if you want. I am here. In Hindi.
मैं यहाँ हूँ.
I learn Hindi. In Hindi.
मैं हिंदी सीखता हूँ.
You are here. In Hindi.
तुम यहाँ हो.
Are you ready? In Hindi.
तुम तैयार हो.
He is here. In Hindi.
वो यहाँ है.
He is my friend. In Hindi.
वो मेरा दोस्त है.
How are you? Formal. In Hindi.
आप कैसे हैं?
Excuse me, are you the teacher? In Hindi. Maafa kiji, kya?
आप,
Siksaka hayam? This is my book. In Hindi.
ये,
Meri Kataba hai. I want this. In Hindi. Mujhe.
ये,
Kaye. Tiny grammar, big victory. Here is the simple pattern. Don't panic. This is the friendly kind of grammar.
मैं,
Is for I, the speaker. Chest tap optional, but encouraged for drama.
तुम,
Is friendly singular you. Good for friends, equals, and relaxed situations.
आप,
Is formal singular you. Use it for respect. If.
तुम,
Wears sneakers.
आप,
Wears polished shoes.
वह,
Can point to someone else. In this lesson we use it as he.
ये,
Points to something near you. This. Nearby object? Say.
ये,
Nearby snack? Also.
ये,
Dialogue at the world's most suspicious snack table. Now enjoy a short dialogue. Listen for the target words. A.
तुम,
Yahum ho. You are here. B. Yes.
मैं,
Yahum hum, I am here. A. And who is that? B.
वह,
Mera dosta hai. He is my friend. A. Oh. And what is this? B.
ये
Mary Kataba Hi. This is my book. Teacher enters. Everyone suddenly becomes 47% more polite. A.
आप
K's Hyam? How are you? Teacher. I am fine, and why is there a potato wearing sunglasses on the snack table? Quick recall drill. Time for a fast quiz. Answer out loud before I give the answer. If a houseplant judges your accent, ignore it. How do you say I in Hindi?
मैं
How do you say you, informal singular?
तुम
How do you say he?
वह
How do you say you, singular formal?
आप
How do you say this?
ये
Translate this.
मैं
I. Translate this.
तुम
You. Translate this.
वह
He. Translate this.
आप
You, formal singular. Translate this.
ये
This. Your final challenge. Let's finish strong. I will give you English, and you try the Hindi in your head or out loud. I am here.
मैं यहाँ हूँ
You are here.
तुम यहाँ हो
He is here.
वो यहाँ है
How are you, formal?
आप कैसे हैं
This is my book.
ये मेरी किताब है
Friendly goodbye. You did it. 5 small words, a funny story, and no serious injuries from overpointing. Thank you for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing.
मैं तुम वह आप
And.
ये
Out loud. Repeat them during the day, use them in tiny sentences, and come back whenever you want another easy Hindi win.